Exposed joinery can detract from the looks of a high-end cabinet. I'm Jim Heavey, and here's a tip from Wood Magazine on how you can keep those joints hidden and strong. And the answer is a biscuit joiner. If I'm planning on joining large pieces of multiply ply like this, they're really heavy and they're very awkward. But by putting biscuits in these edges, it makes it easy for the assembly, and after they're glued and clamped in place, you'll never see them. The biscuits that you see here are the standard sizes for biscuits. This is called a number 20, this is a 10, and these are zeros. And really the only difference between them is their size. Biscuit joiners are allowed a slot to put those in with, and you can adjust those to make the slot bigger or smaller. On a large project like this, these bigger biscuits will have no problem going in there. But if I'm doing something relatively small, let's just say this is a picture frame or an end frame, and I want to put biscuits in this spot, these would be too large and the slot would protrude to the outside and you'd see it. So here is a number 0, and again, adjusting your biscuit joiner will put that in, provide a very strong joint. It's hidden and you won't see the fasteners at all. And one more little tip on how to use a biscuit joiner. On this particular model, it indexes or lays out on the back side of this, like so. If I were doing big projects like this, I would put all of my material good side facing down, because as this sits flat on that surface and put biscuits in, it puts them at exactly the same distance from the face all the time, which is on the bottom. So if my material isn't all exactly the same thickness, at least the top will always be nice and flat when it's inverted. If, on the other hand, your biscuit joiner indexes like this from the top, in that case, I would put all the good sides up, and I would use the biscuit joiner in this configuration, meaning that when I'm done, it puts exactly the same distance of that slot from the face of this material, and now the faces are all up, they'll be nice and flat. These are great tools, relatively inexpensive and eminently portable. The joint they put in there is exceptionally strong and it's invisible. So now you don't have to think about glue and screw. You also don't have to think about pocket holes. A biscuit joiner works really well, strong hidden joints, easy to use, really portable. You'll want one.